Hi everyone, welcome back to my vlog. I know it's been a very long time since I posted a vlog, but this time I've got you a home tour video of my dad's ancestral home in Uttar Pradesh. So yeah, it's gonna be a really nice video. I put it up on my close friends if people wanted to see it because it's like more than 100-year-old house, and I have never lived in this house for the last 24 years. From the time that I'm born, I've never lived here for like more than 2 days or maybe a day, and this time I was gonna live for like a week, so I thought I should show you all some things which you guys have not seen, probably seen out there. And yeah, it's a really long video, so I hope you enjoy it, and do let me know how do you find it in the comment section, and subscribe to my video so that you can get more videos like this if you like it. And yeah, loads of love from Kirti. Thank you for watching my videos. It's been such a good time. I think I've hit 200 plus followers on YouTube, which is such a big milestone for me. So yeah, thank you everyone for following. So this is the main entrance to the house. There are two entrances to the house, and I will show you the second entrance in a while. But this is the main entrance. That is the name of our great grandfather written on the top of the house. And yeah, it's a 2-floor house. This is the second entrance, and this is like the first floor where people actually live. And this is called Angan. Like, I don't know. This is called Angan. I don't know the English translation to that. These built-in drawers, like at random places. It will be like outside a room or maybe in a room. Wherein again it's a hollow made in the wall where you can store things. Like in this, there are some utensils kept. And then you can lock it as well. From up, there's a latch on the top, or you can, I think the manual latch is not there, but yeah. This is Charvi using the hand pump for water. Now we're going to the second floor of the house. This is how the second floor looks like, and here, like, generally people don't live here. There are different kind of grains stored here for winters, or maybe for like the cows and everything. So this is like the food for the cows that's stored in like one of these rooms. And these huge drums that you see, there's probably some kind of wheat or rice stored over here. So as you can see, there's wheat stored in this one. So all of these drums that you see have some kind of grain stored in them. And all the other doors are locked, so I can't like show you where they lead to, but I can show you for one. So yeah, so all the doors have like these galleries that you walk through, and after that, when you walk through the galleries, it opens up to a balcony. And the balcony, so this one is like the second entrance to the house. This opens up to the second entrance to the house, and that's the kitchen, everyone. Yeah, it's like an entire kitchen made out of bricks and mud. This is the old kitchen that everyone used to use. And these are some cows that we have, like buffaloes that we have, sorry, not cows. And that's a well over there which still people use for water. So yeah, and as you can see, there is like, this is sugarcane stored here to be used during winters. So in winters they don't use the gases or the electric inductions. They use the old kitchen to cook food, and then they use these dried sugarcane in residues as the fuel. Like, this will be burnt, and then this will be used to cook food in the winters. So that is the kitchen. I'll show you the kitchen in a while. And yeah, this was the entrance to the house. We entered from here, and these are the cows. The buffaloes kept here, not the cows. And yeah, I mean, no one lives in this section of the house anymore, so it's kind of dirty, but this is how it looks. So if you want to ever latch your door, they don't have like the normal latches, the standard latches that we have in our cities, but these are the latches that they use to lock their doors. So it generally goes above the door, where there is like a small hook kind of a thing wherein you attach this and it closes like this, and after that you go ahead and add in your lock and you lock it, and after that your door is like locked. no one can go in it. Yeah, and this is like this is one of the old gases. I mean, I don't know how to call this, but I don't know what is this even called. I'll ask my mom. But this is used to like cook food. You put in the sugarcane residues here, as I showed, and then they light the fire, and then they keep their vessels on this, and they cook food. And this is made purely out of cow dung. I mean, this is such a genius thing to do. Now we will go on the terrace, which I hope is not burning. Oh, it's fine on the terrace. Yeah, this is how the terrace looks like. People generally like dry out their clothes or dry out, I think, mangoes and other fruits and other vegetables that need to be stored for a very long time. Probably make papad and everything over here. But yeah, this is how the terrace looks like. There are clothes drying, so can't show you that. My phone's burning, you know, it's that hot. Like iPhones generally heat up very quickly, but my phone is like heating up within 5 minutes of like getting it out in the sun. So it's scary. As you can see, there are like a lot of trees around the house, I think, which is a necessity as well. Like you can find like all kind of trees. This is a neem tree, there's a mango tree over there, and there's like a banana tree also that they're growing there, if you can see. But yeah, I think this is needed because it helps you cool down the temperature. Like it makes a huge difference if you have trees around the house. So I think every house in this village has like trees surrounding it, and which makes it look really pretty as well, but also helps. Now I'm walking behind my mom. She's taken her pallu up because it's her sasural, which is kind of cute, I feel. But now we are going to the kitchen. I'll show you all what happened in the kitchen as well, and she'll explain everything. The thing that I showed her previously, it was called a chula, not a gas. So yeah, this is the entrance, which is cute. She's my sister, everyone.
Oh, कहाँ घूमी कर रही है?
इसमें खाना बनेगा अभी. चलो, now we'll get a tour of the kitchen, the old kitchen. ये क्या है?
ये कुठली है जिसमें मिल्क गर्म होता है.
हैं?
हाँ.
इसमें मिल्क गरम होता है?
हाँ.
इसमें मिल्क कैसे गरम होता है?
इसके अंदर उपड़ी रख के.
हाँ.
और इधर ये हमारा जात है. इसके अंदर वो चने की दाल, मटर की
ग्राइंडर.
हाँ, ग्राइंडर है.
हाँ.
पहले जमाने की. ये बकेट है. और ये रही सबसे छोटी सी किचन की हमारी अलमारी, जो बहुत ही प्यारी है.
हाँ.
और ये हमारा सबसे पुराना घर है. और ये भी थी बड़ी सी अलमारी जो कि टूट चुकी है. हम लोगों ने इसको अलग कर दिया. और ये है हमारे मिट्टी का मटका. और ये है मिट्टी की बड़ी सी कटोरी. और ये है छोटी वाली कटोरी. हाँ. जिसको दिया बोलते हैं.
इसमें क्या रखते हैं?
इसमें
हाँ.
इसमें हल्दी हो गई, कुछ भी.
अच्छा.
एनीवे. और ये रहा हमारा रोटी रखने वाला
Hmm.
बकेट।
This is how the old kitchen looked like, guys. And ये roof भी बनी है, I think ये bamboo है ना ऊपर, और cow dung है. So this is made out of bamboo and cow dung. Actually, the half of this fell off, but I think the other half is like quite intact. And this is like more than 100 years old. More than 100 years old. So which is really cool, I feel.
इधर ठंडा लग रहा है ना।
हाँ, and हाँ, इधर one more thing we notice is if you walk right over here, the temperature is like really cooler than it was there. So I think that is because of cow dung being used and bamboos being used. So yeah, really cool. Good job.
थैंक यू। ये मिट्टी का चूल्हा है जिसपे हम लोग बचपन से, इनफैक्ट पहले के जमाने में इसी पे खाना बनता था। ये हमारा बनाया जाता है मिट्टी से, और कुछ इसमें और भी मटेरियल इंक्लूड करते हैं जिससे ये तैयार होता है। इसको बनाने में 1-2 घंटे का टाइम लगता है और 4-5 दिन तक इसको अच्छे से कवर होने में लगता है। फिर उसके बाद इस पे खाना पकाया जाता है।
And fun fact, इधर मिट्टी का दिया रखते हैं so that in the night when people are cooking they can use that, because पहले torches नहीं होते थे, so that was how they got light in the kitchen. हाँ,
बढ़िया लगा था। ये सब ना रखा रहा, लगना खूब बड़ा था। और ये ठिया जैसे वो बना रहा हवन करे बचे बीच में।
इसको वहाँ पे रखते हैं। रुक जाओ, बत्ती भी तो रख दे। सारे मजे ले लेते हैं। तो भाई बहुत छोटा है, सबका लाडला है, प्यारा है, और जो कि बढ़ता नहीं है, हमेशा मरते हैं। इसके अंदर पहले के जमाने में धान कूटते थे, जिससे धान का जो कड़ रहते थे वो चावल से अलग हो जाता था।
So basically, I think rice was put over here, and then there was some kind of what is it called?
कूटने का बीट नहीं, बीट में तो मालूम।
Probably I don't know, some kind of a hammer used, not even a hammer. What is it? I don't know what will it be called, but it was used. So it was a stick that was used, and when you used to use pressure with the stick in the hole, then I think the grain and the extra part which is not used is removed out. So then you only have like the rice, the pure rice in this. And this is, I think, again for storage under. Oh, this is locked, but I could have showed you. So this is made out of bamboo again. So this is, the door is made out of bamboo. This entire thing is again mud, and this is only mud. And this is mud, and you can see that like bamboo used as windows for ventilation, which is very cool again. And I remember this, ये मैंने एक बार चलाया था ये, I think for cows and buffaloes, इससे fodder बनता है. So you add in the dry grass from one end and then you like rotate it on the other end. फिर वो ऐसा छोटा छोटा हो जाता है. So this is how it looks like बाद में. This is called upli. It's basically again cow dung residues shaped in a particular way so that it can be used as fuel for lighting fire in the chula so that food can cook. So yeah. Like tulsi is considered to be like a very auspicious tree in I think all over India. So neem and tulsi both. So this is neem and this is tulsi, and people worship both these plants all over India. वही बोला. Now we are moving ahead to the buffaloes. I'm actually really scared of the buffaloes because one time when I was a child, a buffalo came in running towards me and put his horns in my ear.
That's like my small sister.
Hi. मारेगी तो hey.
मारना
ये
नहीं,
so cute.
छोटी सिस्टर है, छोटी सिस्टर है.
नहीं
फोटो खिंचा लो अच्छे से. फोटो खिंचा लो अच्छे से शक्ल बना के। अरे इतना अच्छे से इसको धुल रहा है, था अब कल सुबह अच्छे से नहाएगी। वैसे भी मुझे भी ये मारती है।
ये बाकी सब all of them are eating. So I showed you right that machine, that is how the fodder looks like. नहीं वो नहीं रे, वो मशीन जो हमने दिखाई थी जिससे उनका खाना बन के आया था, हाँ तो वैसा उनका खाना दिखता है. And then they have like these bowls in that you put the food and water and whatever you want to feed them. They basically eat everything. They are really cute. And no, don't come near me. उधर तक ही cute हो तुम. हाँ, I'm just scared of them because once, as I said, I was a child. One came running towards me and put his horn in my ear. So I'm really scared of them. हाँ, and then this is the well I was showing you from the second floor there. So this is a functional well. People still use this to fetch water. And I've never actually gone up and seen how deep it is. But let's go up and check how deep it is actually. नहीं गिरूंगी. Oh, it is pretty deep. Now we are going on the null to wash this balti. They use baltis a lot. I feel baltis are used for everything. To fetch water, to put dal, to put rice. Everywhere a balti is used. I think I never thought balti would be so multifunctional. But really cool. हाँ, this dog is probably sleeping here because इसको गर्म हो रहा है तो इधर ठंडा ठंडा पानी आता है. ये देखो, ये पानी भी पी रहा है इधर से. I'll show you all how this works. अच्छा, गन्ने फेरने वाली मशीन है. तो इससे क्या होता है? Oh, this is used to extract sugarcane juice, which is again very cool. Never seen a machine like this. चलाओ. तो शुगर केन ऐसे इधर बीच में डालते होंगे. अच्छा, इधर से शुगर केन डालते हैं एंड फिर इसको इधर से चलाते हैं एंड देन द जूस इज एक्सट्रैक्टेड एंड स्टोर्ड इन दिस. अभी तो ये यूज़ नहीं होता शायद, इसके लिए ऐसे पड़ा है, बट प्रॉबेबली इन विंटर्स. ये it's like a peeler that is used to like peel things. This is made out of a seashell and then you can peel things like this. ये हम कच्चे आम का अचार बनाने के लिए इसको पील कर रहे थे, तो ये वो टाइम का वीडियो है. क्या हुआ? माइग्रेन अटैक आ रहा है. बस मैच कर रहा है. रख दो उसमें, उसमें रखना है. अच्छे से दवा. क्या बताना.
अब कल अच्छे से हम भी तैयार हो गए.
Now we are gonna do my favorite activity, that is go and eat chaat in the market. So yeah, let's go. So we have a few dogs that we feed food at home. So this is Charvi feeding like roti to the dog. Like I think we have 5 dogs that we have like adopted. How many dogs? We have 6 dogs. So one of them is this one cutie over here. Actually the dogs over here are really scared because people over here hit them and all. So they generally are not very friendly to like humans. But yeah, if you like pet it, they feel really happy. Cute only this one is. Cute only this one is. No?
अरे डॉक्टर रोटी ले लें. रोटी रखा बड़की में. इधर से लेके आप उसे प्लेट. बस खाना लेके बैठे वो वीडियो बनाइएगा, उस पे अपलोड कीजिएगा। खाना है
चुरा लो मैं हूँ ऐसे चलिया